see how it came out. Oh no. It would be cool if it made if there was another train that went out and made that way. But I usually we had two, but one is gone. See if it actually crashes. And so close, it almost crashed. And it's about to do a loop and then, yo, so close. It almost crashed, guys. Yo, this train is too fast. And wow, super close. It's getting closer every single time. And so close. And oh man, you can't do another loop fast enough. That train is too fast. And so close. Oh man. Stop. Get your hand up. Get your hand up. Almost. Yes, yes, yes. Yo, let's go. The high-speed train wins. Okay, time for round 2. Let's switch it around. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. I think the one over here would win because last time the high-speed train won, but this is definitely fast and stronger. And oh, so close.
Getting almost so closer when it gets more closer.
By the way, I got 100% on my test today. Yo, yeah, I knew it.
I knew
Round 3. 3, 2, 1, go.
I hope the steam locomotive wins.
I think that train's always me.
Oh, super close.
Yeah. Every time I keep getting super close when the steam locomotive is going fast.
Oh, my POV looks cool. I can see the train. Whoa. I think the train is gonna hit me.
No, so close.
Stop.
I'm putting it over here.
Stop. Ah, okay. I think at some point slash long. Really long thing?
A long time ago.
No, so close.
This one makes it more faster.
Like make it like this a little bit, and now go because it's not touching. Yeah, good job, Muhammad.
How about me?
No good job.
No. I'll slow it down.
Wait, Jen, I have a smart idea.
Yo, so close.
Jen, we can just do this. And then trains cannot touch together. What if we make a one behind and one at the front?
Ah, man.
They're not gonna crash. They're
Wouldn't it-
not.
This train has a longer time to go everywhere and not crash.
I thought these trains can get derailed.
No.
The play part? The play part?
Hey, you cheating.
No, I'm not cheating.
Yeah.
Go. Yeah. Time to switch. 3, 2, 1, go. No, this train.
Don't cheat, okay?
And the crash already. Just
He's
2
already
seconds.
It was like 2 seconds ago.
Okay, 3, 2. I guess we're gonna do it like this. And this train wins. So that means this train is the strongest train. Okay, let's just.
You know what?
It makes it. Is this broken? One go. Why is it we doing a wheelie? Ah! What the?
I don't know how did the Chrysler just became
Wait,
like
make it do a wheelie. Make it do a wheelie. Stop!
Stop screaming!
What happened? Why is it not doing a wheelie? Do it. Hey, bro, do the wheelie. Yes. Oh my God.
I can do wheelie. You kind of like going to people. I'm gonna do it like this.
Poor Muhammad. This is good. That was bad. Oh, this has more speed. It gains speed and then goes faster. So it goes even
It
faster.
does.
This line makes some. This line has more straighter.
No. If it was longer, that would be greater. Since if it was longer, then it would
I'm
crash.
doing the wheelie.
Can't do wheelie because of the up and down. I'm in this train team.
I'm in this train.
And I'm this way too.
No, only 2 people. I'm in this train team. My brother is not
No.
this train.
I'm in this train team.
I'm in this train.
How about me?
You know.
You know? I'll go to a big train.
There's no big train. All the trains are same. And crash! No, so close. I guess we have to. Okay, when he's close.
No!
When he's like over here, then take place. Yes, I won.
No! No! You! Muhammad, you! Because Muhammad is anyway.
Don't speak. Speak like chicken. 3, 1, go. And oh, so close. Wait, guys, we shouldn't do that because we already did it. So.
Wait, so much this train that and then this train that.
No. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no! At least this guy doing the wheelie. He's good at doing the wheelie. Somebody else.
monkey. Baby, my baby. Baby, my baby.
Little baby's just.
What are you doing? Are you a monkey?
You monkey come. Crawling like a monkey. Crawling like a monkey. Oh no.
Super close until the crash was coming. You were so close.
I'm gonna put it over here so it doesn't crash. You just following him.
Aisha, you better look at Aisha. Look at Aisha. Aisha, look at Aisha.
It's so close.
Jumping baby. Oh! Who did this?
Muhammad.
What?
What? Let me put it here.
Stop. It's supposed to crash. Can I do a loop? And so close.
But why are you doing a video?
To get money.